Day 3 hair? Oh no. I got you, girl. Let's curl. We're gonna clip the hair up in 3 sections. Starting from the bottom, you're gonna use a heat protectant setting spray to help hold your curls in place and keep them protected from the heat of your curling iron. I'm going for the beach kind of undone look. So you're gonna curl away from your face with your curling iron. Once you're done the bottom section, you're gonna move on to the next one. Don't forget your heat protectant spray. The trick to getting the perfect beach waves is you're not gonna curl the ends of your hair. You're gonna leave them out from the curling iron. And as you're taking the curling iron off of your hair, you're gonna slowly drag it down, and that way it stretches out the curl, making it looser and keeping those ends not done. Continue the entire way around your head, moving to the top section, doing the same process for each section of hair. As you can see, I'm not holding the curling iron on my hair for very long, just enough to heat the hair up. Make sure you have a good professional curling iron. It's going to make all the difference when it comes to curling your hair. Now let those curls cool. Add in your favorite texturizing spray, this is mine right now, and rake out those curls with your fingers. Remember, they're beach waves. They don't have to be perfect. Check out all that texture and wave. I love this for my everyday curly hair look. I hope you learned something. Give it a try and comment and let me know if it worked for you.